Welcome back to Phone Transformer. In today's video, we're going to show you exactly how to link Xianyu app with Alipay using your mobile phone in a few easy steps. Now let's get started. Step 1. First, grab your phone and open the Alipay app. Make sure you're logged into your Alipay account before doing anything else. Also, ensure that the Xianyu app is installed on your phone, as you'll need both apps for the linking process. Step 2. After opening Alipay, look at the top menu and tap on the search bar. This is where you can search for services and mini programs. Type Xianyu into the search bar and hit search. Step 3. Once the search results appear, look for the Xianyu mini program. Usually, it's the first result that shows up. Tap on it to open the menu. Inside this menu, you should see an option that says, Confirm to link. Go ahead and tap on that to link your Xianyu account with your Alipay. Step 4. Alternatively, in some newer versions of the Alipay or Xianyu apps, the accounts may link automatically when you open the Xianyu mini program from within Alipay. If this happens, it means your accounts are already connected, and there's nothing more you need to do. Just like that, you've successfully completed the linking process. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.